Good morning, everyone. Today's video is sponsored by Scentsy Laundry Product. We're going to talk to you today about Scentsy Laundry Product. Did I think I was going to have a child on my lap while I did this video? Negative. But, we got to multitask. Tu veux ta sauce? Okay. So, today, I'm going to post a little bit about Scentsy every day, which I kind of do. And yeah, I didn't wash my face. Journey didn't do her hair. But hey, the show shall go on. Okay, I love Scentsy products. I love Scentsy Laundry. I don't know if you knew that Scentsy has laundry products. They are incredible. We have chemists that are working constantly in our Scentsy Commons, Scentsy head office, all the time working on formulating the best type of formula of all our products. And laundry is one of them. So this is my favorite laundry product. It's called Amazon Rain. It's a laundry liquid. And it is all our laundry is safe for every single fabric. It's safe for high efficiency. Safe for septic tanks. It's good for sensitive skin. Some people, you have to try it first, but some people I know have sensitive skin. They can use Scentsy laundry products, and other people just can't because they can't deal with any type of fragrance, which I totally get. So it all depends. So you would have to try a little bit of liquid on your hand and see if you react. But I have friends who are sensitive to fragrance and can use our wax and can use some of our products. Okay, you're distracting us, Z. No, did you know that none of our products, none of Scentsy's products, none of our ingredients have been tested on animals? We are animal friendly. Oh, ça c'est mon café. Ne touche pas. Our products are biodegradable. So for our laundry products, 2 pumps, they're highly concentrated, okay? It's highly concentrated, tu vois? It's highly concentrated. So 2 pumps for a small load, 3 pumps for a medium load, and 4 pumps for a large load. So you don't need a lot. So this will do 50 loads. I know we're used to big containers and you just like dump it, but you're just buying water. That's all it is when you're buying Tide. And well, I guess I shouldn't really talk about other brands, but that's product that is filled with water. All right, this is Washer Whiffs. Again, Amazon Rain. And this is for maximum fragrance boost. Just 1 scoop. I lost my scooper and then I've been using this scooper, but it's a smaller scooper. Okay, and you just need 1. So literally, I will just do like this much in this container. It's not even that much. And then my clothes smells so good. I also layer. When I do laundry, I've noticed when I layer. So I'll put my laundry and then I'll go because I always do large loads because who have time for a small load? Like pack it in. So I do 2 scoop. And then I put a little bit of Washer Whiffs. And then I put my clothes in and then I go scoop. And then I put a little bit of my Washer Whiffs. And then it smells so good. All right. Dryer discs. We have dryer discs. What's a dryer disc? Well, it's a disc that goes in your dryer. It's good for 15 loads, and you put that in your dryer, and it's just, I find sometimes when we over dry our product, our laundry, that's when the smell kind of goes away. So I make sure to not over dry my laundry. So you add that in, and if you're like me, when you're doing your laundry, you'll hear because I like leave them all in my dryer all the time. All right. How much does this cost, Anick? Well, we have a package. It's called the Laundry Love package where you get the laundry liquid, a tub, and two packs of dryer discs for $66. If you just want the laundry liquid, it's $21. The tub on its own is $40. And the small tub, if you want to try to see the laundry on a smaller scale, the washer whiffs, which just is an extra, maximizes the fragrance. You could try the smaller container, and this one is $16. So if you're interested in any of the laundry products, let your Scentsy girl know right here. And if you want your clothes to smell delicious, you know who to call. This girl right here. Because when you buy from me, you support that little girl over there. It's true. If people didn't support me, we'd probably be living on the streets. Probably not, Anick, because you'd figure stuff out because that's what you do. But really appreciate every single one of my customers because you guys make a huge difference in my life. Seriously. Adjourney? On dit merci, merci mille fois, merci. Un mot que l'on dit, mais tout petit. On chante pas aujourd'hui. Je t'aime, merci beaucoup, au revoir.